How to turn on dark mode on Signal. I guess facing issue to turn on dark mode on Signal application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Signal app on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where you can see the setting icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for activities. Click on it. Now, tap on Theme and select the dark mode. You can see Light, Dark and System. Click on Dark Mode. As soon as you click on Dark Mode, the app will instantly switch to Dark Mode. That's it guys. That's how you're going to change Dark Mode on Signal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.